Hello everyone, I am Preeti Mirza from the Great India School and today I am going to teach transmission media and network devices. So first we will discuss what is transmission media. What is transmission media? Transmission media is a pathway to transmit information from sender to receiver. We use different type of cable and waves to transmit data. Data are normally transmitted through electrical and electromagnetic signals. Data transmission media is also called communication channel. Now we will discuss type of transmission media. Transmission media is broadly categorized into a two type, guided transmission media and unguided transmission media. So first we will discuss what is guided transmission media. In guided transmission media, we use cable like twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and optical fiber cable. Twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable comes in two forms, UTP that is unshielded twisted pair, STP that is shielded twisted pair. So first we will discuss what is UTP. UTP is the most common telecommunication media. Its frequency range is suitable for both data and voice transmission. The UTP consists of two conductors, each come with its own color insulator. Shielded twisted pair cable, STP. STP has a metal foil. Metal foil prevents the signal from electromagnetic noise. It also prevents the crosstalk, which is the undesired effect of one circuit to another circuit. Coaxial cable. Coaxial cable transmits signal which is higher frequency than the twisted pair cable because two media constructed quite differently. Instead of using two media, coaxial cable have one main core which is the standard wire made by the copper, which is covered by the insulator. Again, the insulator is covered by the outer conductor, which protect the signals from electromagnetic wave. The last layer of a coaxial cable is a plastic. Optical fiber cable. Optical fiber cable is made up of a glass and plastic and transmit the signal using light wave. It uses reflection to transmit the signal and the glass and plastic is surrounded by the cladding which is made up by the less dense glass or plastic. Now we will discuss the second type of transmission media, that is unguided transmission media. In unguided transmission media, electromagnetic waves are transmitted without any physical conductor. The signals are broadcasted and who's having devices to receive this signal can receive the signal. The signals are transmitted from sender to destination in many ways. The wave may be a ground propagation and may be a sky propagation. Unguided transmission media is also called wireless transmission media. It includes radio waves, microwaves and satellite communication. So first we will discuss what is radio wave. Radio wave is used for multicasting communication used in a radio, television and paging system. It uses omnidirectional antenna for transmission. Microwave. Microwave are used in a unicommunication system. It is used by cellular telephony, satellite and wireless LAN. Now we will discuss what is network devices. Network devices is also called network hardware and network equipments. This is the electronic devices which is required for transmission and interaction between devices in a computer network. Specifically, this is work as a mediator between a device in a computer network. Modem. Modem is a short form of a modulator and demodulator. This is the hardware component that allow the computer and other devices like hub and switch to connect with the internet. It transmits the analog signal into a digital form and digital signal into an analog form. RJ45 connector. RJ45 connector is used in a Ethernet network because it is used in each end of Ethernet network. The Ethernet network is called Ethernet cable. It looks like a telephone jack, but it is big in size. RJ is also called register jack. Ethernet card, also called network interface card. NIC is a card that plug onto the motherboard of a computer and enable computer to access Ethernet network. Wi-Fi card. Wi-Fi card is connected with your computer or laptop USB. It behaves like both transmitter and receiver. It receives a wireless signal and communicates with the wireless network. Repeater. Repeater is a device that works on a physical layer of a network. The job of repeater is regenerate the signal before it's become too weak in a same network. So the signal is transmitted in a long distance. Hub is a multi-port repeater. It connects the multiple wire coming from the different branches. It is used in a star topology. Hub cannot filter the signals, so the signal is received by each computer which is connected to the hub. Bridge is a multi-port repeater which work on a data link layer, but it have one more functionality of filtering. It filters the signal using machine address of a sender and receiver. It also used to connect two LAN working on the same protocol. Switch. Switch is a multi-port bridge with a buffer and designed to boost performance and efficiency. It is a data link layer device which has a capacity of error checking. It only transmits the signal if there is no error. Router. Router is a device like switch. It is a network layer device which selects the best path for transmission. It transmits data packet according to their IP address. Gateway. Gateway is used to connect to different network which is work on a different protocols. It work as a messenger. It take message from one system, interpret it and transmit it to the another system. Hope after watching this video you are able to understand the transmission media and network devices. Thanks for watching this video.